Today, I'll reveal 3 AI stocks that could turn a small investment into a fortune. This isn't hype. The AI market is set to be worth trillions, and these companies are positioned to win big. We're talking about a social tech leader redefining connection, a business software pioneer transforming work, and the giant building the brains behind it all. I've done the research. These are strategic, future-focused picks. We'll break down why each is a must-buy, what makes them special, and their insane growth potential. Don't miss a second. This could be your most important financial video of the year. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. First up, Meta Platforms, ticker META. Once known simply as Facebook, Meta has undergone a dramatic transformation over the past few years, evolving from a social media giant into a true technology powerhouse at the forefront of artificial intelligence. This shift isn't just about rebranding, it's about redefining what the company stands for and where it's headed in the future. Meta isn't just Facebook anymore, it's an AI powerhouse, integrating advanced AI into every part of its ecosystem: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. These platforms are no longer just places to connect with friends or share photos. They're now driven by sophisticated algorithms that personalize your experience, recommend content, and even help you discover new communities and interests. Billions use their platforms daily, and AI powers everything from your feed to ad targeting. Every swipe, like, and comment feeds into Meta's machine learning systems, making the user experience more engaging and addictive. The scale is staggering. Few companies on Earth can claim to touch as many lives, as frequently, as Meta does. Meta's data on human behavior is unmatched, and their AI models monetize it at scale. The company's vast troves of data allow it to build some of the most accurate predictive models in the world, which in turn drive its advertising business and fuel new product development. This data advantage is a key reason why Meta remains so dominant in the digital landscape. Mark Zuckerberg is betting the company on AI, investing billions in infrastructure, chips, and top talent. He's not just talking about AI, he's making it the core of Meta's strategy, ensuring the company stays ahead of the curve as technology evolves. Under his leadership, Meta is building custom silicon chips, expanding its data centers, and recruiting some of the brightest minds in AI research. Their open-source Llama model has created a global developer community, accelerating innovation and making Meta's AI a new standard. By releasing Llama to the public, Meta has empowered thousands of developers and researchers worldwide to build on its technology, sparking a wave of creativity and collaboration that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. The metaverse vision is alive, powered by AI. Think virtual worlds, real-time translation, and lifelike interactions. Meta is investing heavily in virtual and augmented reality, aiming to create immersive digital spaces where people can work, play, and socialize. AI is the engine behind these experiences, enabling everything from realistic avatars to seamless communication across languages. Financially, Meta is a cash machine, leaner, more profitable, and now even paying dividends. After years of heavy investment, the company has streamlined its operations, cut costs, and focused on high-margin businesses. This financial discipline has made Meta one of the most profitable tech companies in the world, with a balance sheet that gives it the flexibility to invest in the next big thing. Their AI-driven ad business is a growth engine, making their platforms indispensable for advertisers. Meta's ability to target ads with pinpoint accuracy means businesses of all sizes rely on its platforms to reach customers and drive sales. The company's advertising tools are constantly evolving, powered by AI that learns and adapts in real time. The network effect is massive. More users mean better AI, which means better experiences and more revenue. As Meta's platforms grow, the data they collect becomes even more valuable, creating a virtuous cycle that strengthens the company's competitive moat. This self-reinforcing loop is one of the reasons Meta has been able to maintain its dominance for so long. Meta Platform stands as one of the most dominant players in the market today, with a massive market capitalization of $1.86 trillion. The company continues to deliver strong profitability, posting earnings per share of $23.48 and trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of 31.44. In 2024 alone, Meta generated $164.5 billion in revenue and delivered an impressive net income of $62.36 billion, highlighting both its scale and its ability to convert growth into real profits. Meta is no longer just a social media company, it's a global AI and data leader. Its influence extends far beyond social networking, touching industries like e-commerce, entertainment, and even healthcare. The company's reach is truly global, with users and partners in nearly every country on Earth. Even after a big run, the stock's valuation is still reasonable given its growth prospects. Investors are betting that Meta's investments in AI, the metaverse, and new business lines will pay off in the years ahead. The company's strong financials and relentless innovation make it a compelling choice for long-term growth. Regulation and competition are risks, but Meta's scale and resources are unmatched. Governments around the world are scrutinizing big tech, and new rivals are emerging in AI and social media. But Meta's deep pockets, global reach, and technical expertise give it a significant edge in navigating these challenges. When you buy Meta, you're buying into the future of digital interaction, AI research, and the metaverse. You're investing in a company that's shaping how people connect, communicate, and experience the digital world. Meta's vision is bold, and its execution so far has been impressive. Their hardware like Ray-Ban smart glasses is pushing AI into daily life. These devices blend the digital and physical worlds, offering features like real-time translation, hands-free photography, and instant access to information. Meta is betting that wearable tech will be the next big frontier, and it's moving fast to capture that market. Meta's AI research division is world-class, ensuring they stay at the cutting edge. The company is publishing groundbreaking research, collaborating with universities, and setting new benchmarks in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. This commitment to innovation keeps Meta ahead of the competition. AI-powered business chatbots in WhatsApp and Messenger open up huge new revenue streams. These tools are transforming how businesses interact with customers, automating support, sales, and marketing in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. For Meta, this means new opportunities to monetize its massive user base. Their talent pool and computing power are industry-leading. No one else is close. Meta's ability to attract and retain top engineers, data scientists, and AI researchers is a major competitive advantage. Combined with its vast infrastructure, the company can tackle problems at a scale few others can match. Meta's turnaround proves its resilience and ability to reinvent itself. After facing challenges and criticism, the company has emerged stronger, more focused, and more innovative than ever. This adaptability is a hallmark of great tech companies. In short, Meta is a foundational AI stock for the next decade. If you believe in the future of artificial intelligence, digital connectivity, and immersive technology, Meta is a company you can't afford to ignore. Next up, we have Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. A company that's become synonymous with business innovation and digital transformation. Over the past 2 decades, Salesforce has evolved from a simple cloud-based CRM provider into a global powerhouse, shaping how organizations connect with their customers and manage their operations. Today, Salesforce stands as the AI backbone for modern business, powering not just customer relationships, but also driving automation, data-driven decision-making, and sustainable growth across industries. Its platform is the digital nervous system for thousands of companies, from nimble startups to the world's largest enterprises. Nearly every major company you can think of relies on Salesforce in some capacity. And now, with the introduction of their Einstein AI platform, Salesforce is supercharging productivity and unlocking new levels of efficiency for its clients. Einstein AI is not just an add-on, it's woven into the very fabric of the Salesforce ecosystem. What sets Einstein AI apart is its deep integration and the sheer scale of its training data. It's been trained on trillions of business data points, giving it a unique ability to deliver actionable insights, like identifying the most promising sales lead to call next, or instantly suggesting the best way to resolve a customer issue. This level of intelligence is transforming how businesses operate, making every employee more effective. The latest leap forward is Einstein Copilot, a conversational AI assistant designed for every Salesforce user. Imagine having a smart, always-on partner that can answer questions, automate repetitive tasks, and surface critical insights in real time. For companies, this means saving millions of hours annually, freeing up teams to focus on high-value work and strategic initiatives. This AI-driven transformation gives Salesforce enormous pricing power and a massive upsell opportunity. As businesses see tangible results from AI, they're willing to invest more in advanced features and premium services, driving Salesforce's revenue growth and expanding its influence in the enterprise software market. Another key advantage is the Salesforce App Exchange ecosystem. This marketplace allows developers and partners to build and distribute AI-powered apps that plug directly into Salesforce, creating a powerful flywheel effect. As more apps are built, the platform becomes even more valuable, attracting more customers and developers in a virtuous cycle of innovation. But what truly sets Salesforce apart is its proprietary business data. With years of accumulated industry-specific data, Salesforce can offer AI solutions that are far more tailored and effective than generic AI models. This data advantage is a significant moat. No other company can match the depth and relevance of Salesforce's insights. At the helm is CEO Marc Benioff, a visionary leader who's all in on AI. Under his guidance, Salesforce is doubling down on artificial intelligence, aiming to dominate the AI-powered CRM space and set the standard for the future of business technology. Financially, Salesforce is a model of consistency. Its subscription-based model ensures steady, recurring revenue, while ongoing investments in AI and automation are driving improved profitability. The company's robust balance sheet and strong cash flow give it the flexibility to innovate and expand into new markets. The acquisition of Slack was a game-changer, putting AI at the very center of workplace collaboration. Now, teams can communicate, share insights, and automate workflows seamlessly, all within a unified platform that's powered by Salesforce's AI capabilities. And Salesforce's market opportunity is still massive. The company is expanding aggressively into areas like e-commerce, advanced analytics, marketing automation, and industry-specific solutions, all of which are being supercharged by AI. This expansion opens up new revenue streams and cements Salesforce's role as an indispensable partner for digital transformation. Once a company adopts Salesforce, switching to another platform is incredibly difficult. The deep integration into business processes combined with the growing suite of AI-powered tools creates high switching costs and fosters long-term customer loyalty. This stickiness also makes customers more receptive to AI upsells and new product offerings. Of course, competition exists, from legacy software giants to nimble AI startups. But Salesforce's relentless focus on innovation, its vast partner network, and its deep relationships with customers give it a significant edge. The company's ability to anticipate and shape industry trends keeps it ahead of the curve. The stock's recent volatility has created a compelling entry point for investors. As the impact of Salesforce's AI investments becomes more visible in the coming quarters, the market is likely to reward its leadership and vision. Salesforce remains a powerhouse in enterprise software, with a market capitalization of approximately $203.8 billion. The company reported earnings per share of $7.49, supported by a price-to-earnings ratio of 28.58. In 2024, Salesforce generated $34.85 billion in revenue and produced net income of $4.13 billion, reflecting steady growth and improving operational efficiency as demand for cloud and AI-driven business solutions continues to rise. Salesforce is also building industry-specific AI solutions for sectors like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and government. These tailored offerings command higher prices and address the unique needs of each industry, further expanding Salesforce's total addressable market. Trusted AI and robust security are at the core of Salesforce's value proposition. In an era where data privacy and compliance are paramount, Salesforce's commitment to secure, ethical AI makes it the safe choice for enterprises around the world. As AI continues to automate more business processes from sales and marketing to customer service and supply chain, Salesforce's platform becomes even more indispensable. Companies are increasingly relying on Salesforce to orchestrate complex workflows and deliver seamless AI-driven experiences to their customers. In short, Salesforce isn't just keeping pace with the AI revolution, it's leading it. For investors and businesses alike, Salesforce represents the premier AI play for the future of work, offering unmatched scale, innovation, and opportunity in the age of intelligent enterprise. Finally, let's talk about Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, better known as TSMC, ticker symbol TSM. While the world's attention is often fixed on the big names in tech, TSM quietly powers the entire digital revolution from behind the scenes. It's a company that most consumers have never heard of, yet its influence touches nearly every piece of technology we use today. TSM is the backbone of the AI revolution, manufacturing the advanced chips that drive everything from the smartphone in your pocket to the world's most powerful supercomputers. Every time you use a digital assistant, stream a video, or interact with AI-powered services, chances are you're relying on a chip made by TSM. Their factories, known as fabs, are where the world's most advanced silicon is born. Without TSM, there's no AI boom. NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, and countless other tech giants depend on TSM for the cutting-edge chips that make their products possible. These companies design the brains of modern devices, but it's TSM that brings those designs to life, with unmatched precision and scale. TSM leads the world in advanced manufacturing, holding a near monopoly on the most complex and powerful chips. Their ability to produce chips at the tiniest nanometer scale, smaller than a virus, puts them years ahead of competitors. The clean rooms in their fabs are among the most sophisticated environments on Earth, where even a single speck of dust can ruin a chip worth thousands of dollars. What's remarkable is that TSM doesn't have to pick the winners in the AI race. As long as the demand for high-performance chips continues to grow, and all signs point to decades of growth ahead, TSM wins. Whether it's powering the latest AI models, data centers, or consumer electronics, their chips are at the heart of it all. Their relentless investment in research and development, along with massive capital spending, creates enormous barriers to entry. Building a single advanced fab can cost over $20 billion and take years to complete. This means that even the world's richest companies struggle to catch up. TSM's lead is measured in years, not months. TSM's customer list reads like a who's who of the tech world. From the biggest names in cloud computing to the hottest AI startups, everyone wants access to TSM's technology. This broad customer base provides both stability and diversification, insulating TSM from the ups and downs of any single client or sector. The demand for AI chips isn't just a short-term trend, it's a multi-decade transformation. As AI becomes embedded in everything from cars to healthcare to finance, the need for ever more powerful chips will only accelerate. TSM is perfectly positioned to benefit from this tidal wave of demand. Of course, there are risks. Geopolitical tensions, especially around Taiwan, are real and can't be ignored. But TSM's global importance is so great that governments around the world are working to protect and diversify their operations. The company is building new fabs in the US, Japan, and Europe, ensuring that its technology remains accessible no matter what happens geopolitically. Financially, TSM is a powerhouse. The company boasts strong profit margins, a fortress balance sheet, and a steadily growing dividend. Its scale allows it to weather economic storms and invest heavily in the next generation of chip technology. Their pricing power is immense. Customers are willing to pay a premium for access to TSM's world-leading technology. In a world where the smallest performance edge can mean billions in revenue, TSM's chips are worth every penny. The complexity of their fabs and the depth of their know-how is almost impossible to replicate. Each new generation of chips requires breakthroughs in physics, chemistry, and engineering. TSM's expertise is the result of decades of relentless innovation and execution. The rise of custom AI chips from giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft only strengthens TSM's position. These companies may design their own chips, but they still turn to TSM to manufacture them at scale, and with the highest quality. Despite all this, TSM's stock often trades at a discount compared to its American peers, largely due to geopolitical fears. For long-term investors, this presents a rare opportunity to buy into a world-class company at a compelling price. Think of TSM as a digital toll road for the global economy. Every major AI calculation, every cloud service, every smart device, sooner or later it all passes through TSM's chips. Their technology is the infrastructure of the digital age. Their leadership in advanced packaging is another critical advantage. As chips become more complex, how they're assembled and connected becomes just as important as how they're designed. TSM's innovations in this area are essential for the next generation of AI hardware. TSM is always pushing the boundaries, investing billions in new manufacturing processes, and staying ahead of the curve. Their commitment to innovation ensures they remain the partner of choice for the world's most ambitious tech companies. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing is a heavyweight, with a market capitalization of roughly $1.76 trillion. The company posted earnings per share of $10.63 and trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 31.94. In 2024, TSMC generated revenue of approximately 2.89 trillion Taiwanese dollars and reported net income of about 1.15 trillion Taiwanese dollars, reinforcing its position as the backbone of advanced semiconductor manufacturing and a critical beneficiary of long-term global demand for high-performance chips. Investing in TSM isn't just a bet on one company, it's a bet on the relentless growth of computing power, the expansion of AI, and the digital transformation of every industry on the planet. Their technological dominance and strategic importance make TSM a must-own for anyone serious about investing in the future of AI and technology. For exposure to the entire AI megatrend, TSM is not just a smart investment, it's an essential one. As the world races toward an AI-powered future, TSM will be there, building the brains that make it all possible. There you have it. Meta, Salesforce, and TSM, three titans leading the AI revolution from different angles. These aren't just stocks, they're pillars of the new economy, and we're still early in this transformation. Getting in now could be your best investment move of the decade. Want to level up your investing? Check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. For exclusive tips and analysis, join the StocksGalore Patreon community. Which AI stock do you think has the most potential? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.